Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error your connection is not private. In Google Chrome, when you see the message your connection is not private, it means that Google is trying to protect you from accessing a site that might be unsafe. This error can occur due to several reasons, such as expired SSL certificate, incorrect date and time setting on your device, or a problem with your network. To fix or bypass this issue, open your Google Chrome and click on three dots on the right top corner and click Setting and click Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click Security. Again scroll down and find Advanced. Use HTTPs whenever possible and get warned before loading sites that do not support it. On the toggle, switch next to it to turn it on. This way, you can fix error your connection is not private in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.